This is Paul, right along with me. So, during today's game drive in the Masai Mara, we came across three spotted hyenas feeding intensely on a fresh carcass. With powerful jaws and constant vocal communication, they worked efficiently, tearing through hidden bone with ease. Spotted hyenas are often misunderstood as mere scavengers, but in reality, they are highly successful hunters. They catch up to 70% of what they eat, and their bone crushing jaws are among the strongest in the land animals and in the animal kingdom, allowing them to consume almost every part of a carcass, including bones, hooves, and skin. Feeding can look chaotic, yet it follows a strict hierarchy with dominant individuals eating first,